For many years now, we have been trying to raise these Rudraksha seedlings because I have a couple of old trees. Old means about a 25-year-old trees. Long back somebody had given and we had planted and it had come out quite well. And then fruit started appearing. Then it has a blue color fruit because the Lord Shiva is connected to blue color, Neelakanta and all. So it's a Himalayan thing actually originally, and the blue color fruit, and these lines that indicates that Panchamukhi, Ekamukhi and all that one. And so many years we tried, never succeeded in getting the saplings. And also I could notice that these birds are eating that fruit, bats and all are eating the fruit and dropping it here and there in our garden. So finally this year we succeeded and we started getting some seedlings. And one of the interesting fact is that each of that Rudraksha, if it's Panchamukhi and all, it will split open like this and you will get more than one. So one seed is there in each of these inside that Rudraksha. So from one seed, if you successfully manage to sprout it, you will get 3 to 4 plants. Like here, this whole bunch has come from one seed. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 plants have come out of this one seed. And now at present we have some 5 or 6 trees, including that original mother tree, the big one. So I'll show that mother tree also. It was quite gratifying to this year to discover how to sprout this Rudraksha. So this is one of the adolescent Rudraksha tree in our garden. Actually, in most ways, it's quite nothing remarkable about it. Leaves and all look like coffee leaves, and it's a nice tree, all right. Grow straight, central bole will come, and then it will go up, and it will become very big. This one is some 5 or 7 years old or less. But my main tree, what I have, is over 20 years old and much bigger than this. So, Rudraksha adolescent tree. That old tree with the fruits and all, I have done separate videos. If you search in my channel, in that Trees of India, you will get it.